interesting using the word divorce procedures. Think about it in the most practical terms. There's two people living in a home, maybe with a kid or a few kids, and they know that they're having a rough ride. Mm-hmm. May have seen a counselor, they may have gone through marriage counseling and that wasn't successful. And so they both kind of know that things aren't working out. Maybe there's fighting, maybe there's a lot of arguing, maybe they're now starting to lead their own lives, you know, do different things, go out on the weekends without one another. So the whole notion of divorce proceedings is, again, a misnomer. People think that, okay, so this marriage is now coming to an end, I need a lawyer to start divorce proceedings. Not true. You don't need a lawyer, and you don't need to start divorce proceedings. You just need to plan the next chapter of your life and possibly use lawyers to do the paperwork to ensure that that actually occurs. Mm-hmm. But you don't need to go and start any divorce proceedings. The question then becomes is, what do you want the next chapter of your life to be? And you and your spouse may have slightly different views on what that will be. And of course there's financial issues, there's child-related issues. And the question then becomes is, how do we get us to that next chapter, to that next place? Mm-hmm. And there's a lot of options today that may not have been, a lot of people may not have been aware of many years ago. Like you asked about 10 years ago, how are things different? And one of the options today is speaking to one another through a facilitator. There's counselors that do separation counseling. It used to be that you go and see a marriage counselor to preserve your marriage. You could actually go to a counselor to help you go through the separation.
Which is a great idea